Do you want to set up parental controls on your Nintendo Switch 2? This will allow you to enable age restrictions, screen time limit, either right from your Nintendo Switch or via the Parental Controls app for extended features. First, we'll need to open the system settings. Then scroll down and go to Parental Controls. Select Set up Parental Controls, and after that it will ask you to install the Parental Controls app, which is available both on iOS App Store and Google Play Store. But if you don't want to use a smartphone, then you'll also have an option to select No Smart Device Available. But as you can see here, you will lack some features like playtime limit or screen time, bedtime schedule, and live monitoring. So if you want to proceed, tap on Next, after which you can either select a restriction preset according to your child's age, or you can select custom settings to apply the restrictions manually. Then hit Next, create and confirm your PIN, and you'll be golden. Now I'll show you how to set up parental controls through the app to get access to all the useful features. You can either scan the QR code or just search for Nintendo Parental Controls on Play Store or App Store. Then install and open it. Then go through these prompts, select whether you want to share data or not, and then log in with your Nintendo account. Tap on Continue to open the Nintendo login portal, then sign in with the parent account. Now it will say your Nintendo system will be linked to this app, so hit Next, and now we'll need to put in this code on our Switch 2. So to do that, you'll just need to tap on App has been installed from here. Now select Enter Link Code and put it in from the app. Now confirm it by tapping on Link. There you go, you've successfully linked your Switch 2 to the Parental Controls app. So go back to your phone, tap on Next, select Confirm and Continue, and it's recommended that you allow notifications. And finally, we are done. So let's start with the bottom, where we can see the Live Activity tab and Monthly Overview. Let's go through each of these sections one by one. You can go to Restricted Features, and to add restriction level, tap on Change. Now you can select a preset according to your child's age, after which all the settings will be applied automatically, or you can also select Custom Settings, after which you'll be able to customize these restrictions one by one. When you're done, don't forget to hit Save from the top right, and the restrictions will be applied right away. You can see here we also got a notification on our Switch 2. And whenever you update any settings on the Parental Controls app, it will be updated on the system in real time. And from the app, you can also set up game chat restrictions, which will enable you to control and monitor who your child interacts with. For this to work, first you'll have to select your child's account, then you'll have to send them an invitation to join your family group. They have to accept the mail. Only after then, you'll be able to set restrictions. And last but not least, the most needed feature, playtime limit. To begin, just tap on the top, press OK, and you just need to change the playtime limit from unrestricted to any amount of time that you want to give your child daily. You can also set a bedtime schedule, after which the playtime will be restricted. Also, make sure to enable suspend play when time's up if you want to kick your child from the console when time is over. Lastly, you can enable Vary Day by Day if you want to customize it for each day. Congrats! You have successfully set up parental controls on your Switch 2, and now you have your child's safety at your fingertips. Hope this helped, and happy parenting!